Alright, welcome back, y'all. Today we're going to be doing 3.3.8. This should be the last of the revisions, as far as I know. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Make sure I'm recording. So this is the same as 3.3.6, but instead we're going to be doing a DSL router this time. So let's go ahead and add the DSL router to the workspace. Remember, drag it up to the line and highlight yellow, and you can go ahead and let go. Let's go ahead and go to the back of the router, and we know that we're going to connect the router to the computer. Okay, and so we want to go to our cables, and we want to provide power first. So I'm going to click on the power adapter, and I'm going to go ahead and take the AC power adapter and plug it into the wall. There's no power strip or anything here, so we know we just want to plug it into the wall. There's no other plugs here that we can see. And we'll go ahead and take this DC power connector, which is the female connector. If you can imagine a robot anatomy, and this is the male connector because you see that pin there. Okay. Connect the DSL router to the phone line. So we have two cables. It doesn't tell us which one. Now, Ethernet is typically RJ45. Phone lines use twisted pair, and they both use twisted pair. But the difference is phone lines don't need as much data throughput, so they use I believe it's 2 pairs, whereas RJ45 uses 4 pairs, or 4 pairs, so 8 cables in total. And then so we have RJ11, RJ45. The bigger one is for Ethernet because internet needs more speed. Let's go ahead and click on it, take one, and connect it to here. We can see that because this one is more narrow, this is likely to be the one needed for the phone line. Because remember, it uses less pairs, meaning it needs less space. So I'll just drag over with this little black bar here and drag up to find the phone lines. Now if I zoom in super close, we can see there's a computer here in the red and phones here in the blue. And if you're a little younger than me, you might not recognize these phones. I barely do. I'm going to take this other end, and I'm going to click and drag, and then drop in here. Alright, so we've got the phone line connected up. Okay. And then we want to connect the computer to the DSL router. If we zoom in, we can click here on the RJ45 cable because we're doing the Ethernet part. We're going to take one connector, one side of the cable, and put it here. It can be anywhere, but I always like to do left to right. And we'll go to the computer, take the other end, and plug it into here because it looks like it fits. That's the thing with computers is nothing goes where it doesn't fit. For the most part, at least it's like a puzzle piece, you know. Okay, and that is 100%. Thank you guys. I will see y'all in the next video.